need this right now. My new hammer.
Oh,
Hammer.
That's really good. I was caught up on all the other. I did some last year. I finished it off. Now I'm using it.
Thank you, Derek.
What'd you get?
I got socks and my nails. That doesn't rust out my skin
We
like
got
that old
socks and
one.
hand
Mine
lotion.
are all kinds of.
Oh, hello.
We're saying hi to Derek.
Oh, hi, Derek. Thank you.
And
They're pretty. I mean,
Michelle,
they're pretty intense.
we're saying hi to Derek.
Hi, Derek.
And Christina.
Hi,
Sorry.
Christina. Oh, and Christina. Merry Christmas. We miss you. Merry Christmas, Derek. Is it picture or video?
Video.
Video. Oh, Merry Christmas.
She's got to put on her video smile. For that one.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Derek and Christina. Merry Christmas.
Hey, Deke, Christina. Hope you're having fun.
Merry Christmas. I hope to see you soon.
Merry Christmas.
Grandma?
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, guys. We'll see you tomorrow, Saturday.
Merry Christmas, Christina and Derek. We love you and we miss you and wish you were here. We'll see you on Saturday.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
And
Merry Christmas. Thanks, Christina.
Yeah. So Merry Christmas, guys. Good to see you.
Mark?